All right, in this video, we're going to be creating cross sections. So you have to have sample lines in order to create cross sections. So as you can see, I've got some sample lines in here. You can select just one sample line. This is one of the easiest ways. So you can grab your sample line. Up on the ribbon here, you've got create section view. If you go to the drop down, you can go create multiple section views. Okay, this dialog box comes up. It shows you the alignment. It shows you the sample line group. We're going to go automatic. I want to create the cross sections the entire length. It's got a section view name, and so it's automatically going to be doing the section view station here. Once again, this is all in your template. And then you can also pick a style down below. I'm happy with that. We'll go next. Then you have two options. You want to do production, which will throw it onto sheets for you, or you could do draft, and it'll just throw them all in one large group. I'm going to go production. And then I'm going to click on this icon here and figure out what scale that I want to actually bring them in at. Okay, so you need a template here, and this is already in Civil 3D out of the box. This Plan Production folder in the Civil 3D Imperial sections. And so there's a tab in that template that says this, ArchD Section 20 Scale. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go OK. Plot group style, leave it at basic. We're just going to go next. The range is going to be automatic. Elevation range, also automatic. And what this means is every cross section could be different heights, but you could say, no, I don't want that. We'll go user specified, specify the height so all cross sections are exactly the same. I like to use automatic. We're going to go next. Shows you everything that's in the current model that's going to be in this cross sections. So it shows you the styles and the label sets. We're not going to do any labels. We're just going to go next. And then I'm going to have a band at the bottom of the profile. Okay, and this one's just going to have the horizontal offsets in there. All I'm going to do now is go create section views. These draw up and to the right. So it says identify your section view origin. So I'm going to pick a point above the surface here, because it's going to draw it up and to the right. And there you go. And if I zoom in here, you can now see the cross sections that I've just created. Now, I created this at 20 scale. That's what I said. But you'll notice my drawing scale down here is 40. So if I change this to say 20 scale, you're going to notice the cross sections, they look better, but now they're not fitting on the sheets correctly. Now all I would do is I click on either the frame here, this boundary, or I could select on the cross section itself, and I just come up here and go update group layout, and it automatically updates them and puts them on the sheets at 20 scale. Okay, this concludes this short video on creating cross sections.